Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, kindness and respect.
Hello kids! My name is Suzy, and today we're going to learn about kindness and respect, and why it's important to be polite and gentle to everyone, especially those who might be different from us. Are you ready? Let's get started. Respect means treating people the way you want to be treated. It's about being kind, understanding, and accepting everyone for who they are. Respecting others is important to make the world a happier place. Understanding differences. We all have things that make us unique and special. Some people might look different, speak different languages, or have different abilities. It's important to remember that everyone has their own strengths and talents. When we understand and appreciate these differences, we learn so much from each other. There are lots of ways we can show respect. We can listen when someone is speaking. We can include everyone in games. We can say kind words. And we can help others. If someone is being treated unfairly, we can stand up for his person and befriend. It's important to show kindness to everyone, no matter what. When we take the time to learn about other people's cultures and experiences, we become more understanding and open-minded. We can ask questions, share stories, and celebrate our differences. It makes our friendships stronger and our lives more interesting. So, always remember, be kind and respect others.
Thanks for joining us today and learning about respect. Remember, everyone deserves to be treated with kindness and understanding, no matter how different they might be. You guys are awesome! Keep spreading respect and kindness, and see you next time. Bye-bye!